Barangay Pagangan is a place that have a different culture but same aims and goals. In our community, we live as one to exist the peaceful living. One of the important places here in our community is Pagangan Elementary School. I started here in my education in a small primary school and I have been opportunity experience a positive learning environment. My school life here has been an amazing journey. In our community, Barangay Hall is a very important vibrant community and serving as the local citizen that nerve center of administration like issuing IDs, handing peace and order with tunnels. We also have a social hub like events, meetings, fiestas, and community gatherings. Having a gymnasium in community is very useful to the local citizen for held their events, gatherings, or program in a comfortable venue, and gym is one of the recommended venues. Pagangan is my hometown. In our community, different culture and beliefs, but same moral perspective. We enjoying the community with the peaceful places and beautiful environment of Pagangan.